If your Chevy Colorado feels a little choked up from the factory, that's because the stock intake is built more for quiet and emissions than real performance. A cold air intake fixes that by feeding your engine cooler, denser air for better throttle response, more power, and a meaner sound. I've dropped links to every intake I mentioned in the video description so you can check prices and fitment there anytime. Starting with the AFE Power Momentum GT, this one is all about maximum airflow and smart design. It pushes about 350 cubic feet per minute at 7 inches of water and can add up to 9 horsepower with noticeable torque gains. Reviews love the sealed one-piece housing and clear inspection window, plus the reusable 5-layer oiled filter. It installs fast with no cutting, making it a solid pick for performance-focused drivers. Next up is the Corsa closed box intake, built for the 3.6-liter V6 Colorado and Canyon. Owners consistently praise the refined sound, deep and throaty without being annoying. The DryTech 3-dimensional filter is oil-free, nearly 98% efficient, and super low maintenance, which is great for daily driving. Real-world feedback says the truck pulls through the gears quicker while staying civilized on the street or trail. Coming in strong is Cold Air Inductions, a favorite for DIY truck owners. This system fits multiple Colorado engines, including the 3.6-liter gas and 2.8-liter turbo diesel. It's fully bolt-on, made in the United States, and installs in under 30 minutes. Dyno results show gains up to 12 horsepower at the wheels, and reviews highlight the clean engine bay look and noticeable improvement in throttle response and intake sound. Finally, the K&N Cold Air Intake is a classic for a reason. It delivers up to 14.5 horsepower and solid torque gains with a mandrel-bent aluminum tube and oversized oiled cotton filter. Owners love the long service interval, up to 100,000 miles between cleanings under normal driving. Installation is straightforward, it won't void your warranty, and it gives the Colorado that aggressive growl people expect. At the end of the day, the best cold air intake for your Chevy Colorado depends on whether you want max airflow, quiet refinement, easy maintenance, or proven long-term reliability. All the product links are waiting for you in the video description, so check them out there. If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe for more honest truck reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.